Hey guys, today I'm doing a Seafoam engine cleaning to my car. This is a 2006 Acura TSX. It has about 97,000 miles in there, and I'm about to change the spark plug. And I like to do a engine cleaning before I change the spark plug, so I don't get any of these stuff in the new spark plug. And I'm using a compressed air type, so this will spray it onto the throttle body with this little hose. Normally, when you get it, it would the little tube will actually come like this, and it will be taped on right next to the bottle. And what you want to do is you want to take this part out and then hook it at the end of the tube, and this part will actually go to, you will actually hook it onto the throttle body and spray the Seafoam directly at the butterfly. There's another type of Seafoam that you can use. This one will you can actually use a brake vacuum hose, and you can just let it suck in, or you can just pour it into your brake vacuum hose. But today I'm using this. I like this because this goes directly at the throttle body, so you'll be cleaning at the throttle body at the same time. I already cleaned the throttle body once before I use this, so this will just make it even cleaner. So let's get started. So the whole Seafoam process is completed. I actually went out and drove the car for about 2 hours because I had to go somewhere. Engine felt smooth, idled smoothly, no check engine light. The biggest improvement I felt right away is the throttle response. I used to have a problem where when I'm coasting at about 40 miles per hour in fourth gear, If I let off the gas and I give it a little gas again, the car would actually jerk forward a little bit before it accelerates. That feeling is completely gone. I cleaned the throttle body before to try to eliminate that problem, but it helped, but it didn't help completely. With the Seafoam, that problem is just completely gone. I don't feel that anymore, so I'm really happy about it. From my past experience, the Seafoam is actually going to keep acting for about a week, so I probably won't feel the complete effect of the Seafoam for another week. So I'll keep driving the car for a week, and hopefully it just make the engine feel like new again. So thanks for watching, everybody.